The benefits of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is the practice of paying full attention to the present moment, your thoughts, emotions, body sensations, and surroundings without judgment. In a fast-paced world filled with distractions, mindfulness offers a powerful way to reconnect with yourself and regain mental clarity. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most well-known benefits of mindfulness meditation is stress reduction. By observing thoughts instead of reacting to them, the mind learns to respond calmly rather than impulsively. This lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and helps reduce anxiety, overthinking, and emotional tension. 2. Improves focus and concentration. Mindfulness trains the brain to stay present. Regular practice strengthens attention span, improves memory, and enhances the ability to focus on tasks without constant distraction. This is especially beneficial for students, professionals, and anyone dealing with mental overload. 3. Enhances emotional regulation. Mindfulness creates awareness between emotions and reactions. Instead of being controlled by anger, fear, or sadness, individuals learn to observe emotions with clarity and balance. This leads to healthier emotional responses and better decision-making. 4. Promotes better mental health. Research shows mindfulness meditation can reduce symptoms of depression and help prevent relapse. By increasing self-awareness and compassion, it encourages a more positive relationship with one's thoughts and inner dialogue. 5. Improves sleep quality. Practicing mindfulness before bed calms the nervous system and quiets racing thoughts. This makes it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling refreshed. Many people find it helpful for insomnia and restless sleep patterns. 6. Strengthens self-awareness. Mindfulness helps you understand your habits, triggers, and patterns of thinking. This deeper self-awareness leads to personal growth, better self-control, and a clearer sense of purpose in daily life. 7. Boosts physical health. Mindfulness meditation has been linked to lower blood pressure, improved immune response, reduced chronic pain, and better heart health. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, it supports overall physical well-being. 8. Encourages compassion and empathy. As mindfulness develops, individuals often become more patient, kind, and empathetic, both towards themselves and others. This improves relationships, communication, and social connections. 9. Builds resilience to life's challenges. Mindfulness teaches acceptance rather than resistance. This helps people face difficulties with strength and calmness, allowing them to recover more quickly from setbacks and emotional challenges. 10. Creates a deeper sense of peace. Ultimately, mindfulness meditation brings inner stillness. By anchoring attention in the present moment, it reduces regret about the past and worry about the future, creating a lasting sense of peace and balance. Mindfulness meditation is not about stopping thoughts. It's about learning to observe them without being controlled by them. With consistent practice, it can transform mental clarity, emotional health, physical well-being, and overall quality of life. Even a few minutes a day can lead to powerful, long-term benefits.